Imagine evenings spent relaxing on your patio, the scent of freshly grilled dinner filling the air, your children playing safely in the park while you catch up with neighbors. Welcome to 8373 Bronx Way, a home designed for those who value quality, community, and a touch of luxury. Step inside this stunning residence and experience the difference. Spacious living, perfect for entertaining friends and family. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with white travertine countertops, black appliances, and custom cabinetry. The serene master bedroom is a sanctuary designed for relaxation. For the eco-conscious, the garage includes a professional-grade EV charger, merging sustainability with convenience. Escape to the tranquil backyard, your own outdoor oasis. Enjoy alfresco dining, host unforgettable gatherings, or simply unwind with a good book. Explore the meticulously maintained grounds of this exclusive community, designed for a life of leisure and relaxation. At Grammercy Park, enjoy access to top-tier schools while immersing yourself in a vibrant lifestyle. Community events, from festive block parties to family-friendly gatherings, foster a strong sense of belonging. The Grammercy Park lifestyle and 8373 Bronx Way is your personal invitation to a life well lived. Schedule your private showing today and experience the beginning of your next chapter.